call is now being recorded.
We were discussing about Rajput age, medieval Rajput age. We have also discussed after the death of Harshvardhan in North India, as well as after the death of Pulkeshi in South India. We have different states came into existence as Subedars, Zamindars, federal lords, etc. declared themselves as an individual king. And that is why we are going with different state. We have different dynasties of about 36 Rajput dynasties come into existence in our country. One by one, we are going to discuss each of them. Yes, first dynasty. Before we start, what I tell, write only in comments. Yes, Puruswani Kresa. Read this page.
Yes, sir. Chandradev was the founder of Garhwal state. He also made Kashi the second capital beside Kannauji. This dynasty had
Kanauj.
rulers like Madan Kannauji. Kannauj. This dynasty had rulers like Madan Chandra and Govind Chandra, in which Govind Chandra was the most majestic and heroic king of the clan. He stopped the invasion of Ghazni as well as renovated several Buddhist monasteries.
Yes. First of all, we are going to discuss about Chandradev. Chandradev, he was the founder of Garhwal state. Capital was Kannauj, but he made Kashi as second capital of his kingdom. Besides this, the dynasty has other rulers like Madan Chandra, Govind Chandra, etc. They were also powerful rulers. Among them, Govind Chandra is considered as the most majestic and heroic king of this clan. Clan means dynasty. We have just discussed Chandradev, founder or established Garhwal state. Kannauj was its capital. Kashi, it was its second capital. And Madan Chandra, Govind Chandra were other rulers of this dynasty. Among all rulers, Govind Chandra is considered as most majestic and heroic king. Why? Because he stopped the invention of Ghazni as well as renovated several Buddhist monasteries. He stopped the invasion of Ghazni. Ghazni attacked on India many times during his period, and he stopped him to enter in India. With the same, he also renovated Buddhist monasteries in his kingdom. This way, it was a state which came to existence during the time, after the death of King Harshvardhan in North India. Next one. Yes, Bhimjiani Niva.
Yes.
Please, I read.
Other rulers of northern India includes the Candles of
Chandels.
the
Chandels, beta.
Chadels. This kingdom of Chadels of the Bundelkhand
Bundelkhand.
Bundelkhand region was later known as Jaikhand Jai Bhukti. There
Jaijak
were great
Bhuti.
like Yashovarma, Kirtivarma, Parmanivar Dev in this kingdom. The Chandal dynasty has a lot of significance in the
Significance.
history of India. Khajuraho, Kalinga, and Mahoba were the main towns of Chalando.
Yes, continue.
Khajuraho,
Khajuraho became
Khajuraho became famous as a place
became
of as a place of
pilgrimage.
pilgrimage due to its magnificent temples. Chandelo built and
Chandelo built
decorated villas, buildings and reservoirs in Bundelkhand.
Bundelkhand. Very good. Now we are going with other rulers of North India. Chandels. It is the dynasty. Bundelkhand. It is the kingdom or place where Chandels were ruled. The kingdom of Chandels. It was Bundelkhand. And later, after, it was known as Jaijak Bhukti. Jaijak Bhukti, Bundelkhand, Chandels, these all may be asked as objectives. So keep in mind names. In this subject, you need to remember names, time, date, whatever is given. There were great rulers. In this dynasty, great rulers were. Who were there? Yashovarma, Kirtivarma, Parmarnidev, means Parmar. These were the great rulers of Chandel dynasty. This dynasty has lot of significance in history. It has much importance in Indian history because the great and historical temples like Khajuraho, Kalinagar, and Mahoba, they were the main town, and Khajuraho were temples is there as we know during this time. Khajuraho became famous as a place of pilgrimage. Even today, people visit Khajuraho. Some part or portion of the temple has been destroyed due to foreign invaders and nature time. But still, it is an important place in our country. It became, means Khajuraho became famous as a place of pilgrimage due to its magnificent temple. Chandelo, they built, decorated great religious buildings. Religious buildings, it means temples, especially, and reservoirs in Bundelkhand. If you visit Bundelkhand, we can see the glory of this dynasty even today. Any question from this? Okay, then we are moving towards next slide. Now we will read yeah, I am reading the name. Okay, Jani Palak. Just a minute, it may be changed. Just a minute, beta.
1 minute. Yes.
There might be some technical error.
Okay. Now I'll answer.
Okay, read.
Okay. Many Rajput chiefs of Chauhan or Chahman Dynasty. So આને શું
Dynasty.
કહેવાય?
Dynasty.
Dynasty.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Okay, okay.
Let me restart. Don't worry. technical error.
So now I read.
No, but I will say
Okay,
some
sir.
error
Sorry.
is there. We are much ahead. Just a minute. Let me restart. This page you have just read. Now When next page presented, Palak start reading.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One
Yes.
minute.
State of North India presented.
The region of Malwa has been known as the kingdom of Avanti or Ujjaini since ancient times. In 820, Krishna Raja founded the Parmar dynasty. There were great rulers like Saik, Munj, Bhoj in Parmar dynasty. Bhoj was the best king of Parma dynasty. He had a reputation as an ideal popular king of India. Raja Bhoj established a college in Dharanagiri. A beautiful town called Bhojpur, Bhopal was established among the rolling hills.
Here we are discussing about another dynasty, Parmar dynasty. Here it is the region of Malwa. Kingdom was Avanti or Ujjain. We also heard the name of Ujjain with Kalbhairav, Mahakaleshwar in ancient time. Here is the discussion about 820 CE. Krishna Raj, he founded Parmar dynasty. Here in this dynasty there were many great rulers like Sheikh, Munj, Bhoj, etc. They all were belong to Parmar dynasty. Among them, King Bhoj was considered as the best, most powerful ruler in this dynasty. He had established a new city, Bhopal, we call Bhojpur. The next, Taranagari. It is an educational center for Sanskrit learners. Here, Sanskrit universities was there and students from many parts of the world came to study. Even today, in Madhya Pradesh, Dharanagari, we can see the university. But because of foreign invaders, it is much part of the university is destroyed and there are many disputes in that place. Any question from your side? Okay. The next, yeah, speedily go on. Your names are Korat Dvija.
Okay, sir. Many Rajput chiefs of
Chieftains,
chiefs of
Chauhan,
Chauhan and
Chahman,
dynasty ruled in different parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. One of the branches ruled in the 8th century at the place called
Sakambari,
Sakambri north of Ajmer near Sambar Sarovar. Vasudev was the founder of Chahman dynasty of
Sakambari.
Sakambari. At the beginning of the 12th century, a Jairaj was sitting on the throne of Sakambari. He founded a town called Ajaymeru. Later renamed as Ajmer.
Yeah. Many Rajput chieftains means Rajput leaders of Chauhan dynasty. Chauhan and Chahman both are same. Has been on Prithviraj Chauhan. They ruled over different parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. One of these branches ruled in 8th century. At the place it is called Sakambari. Sakambari is in the northern side of Ajmer near the lake Sambar or Sarovar Sambar. Vasudev. Vasudev was the founder of this dynasty. Chahman or Chauhan. Again repeat, keep in mind names. because these are asked as objectives. Whether they are asked in blanks, true, false, answer in one word, or MCQs, identify me, etc. So keep in mind. Second thing, Chauhan and Chahman, both are the same. At the beginning of 12th century, Ajay Raj of this dynasty, he became the ruler of Shakambari and founded a new city, Ajay Meru. Nowadays, it is called Ajmer. Many of you visited Ajmer in Rajasthan. The city was established by Ajay Raj of Chauhan dynasty or Chahman dynasty. Later on, as time passed, the name is changed from Ajay Meru to Ajmer. Any question from your side? Okay. Now it is time for attendance. Okay, first of all, I stop recording.